How to fix GitHub 404 error in TinyTask. So if you want to fix GitHub 404 error in TinyTask, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your browser at first. Now, after opening your browser, you need to just go and search for GitHub, go with the github.com, make sure that you're logged in. Now you just need to simply go with the profile, which is in the top right. And as you can see that you will have your repository, you will have your username right here. You can also click on this username, which will take you to this kind of interface. And now you need to go with settings, which is here on the top right. Once you're on your settings here on the left side, you will have an option of pages. You can just click on pages. And there are two key things you need to check. Under the source section, make sure it says deploy from a branch. Then below that, where it says branch, ensure it's set to main. In my case, I only have none option, but if you have main, you can go and select main under your branch. It might be set to none by default. So go ahead and change it to the main. Also under the folders option, make sure that you have /root selected. Once everything looks good, hit the save button. Now keep in mind that this might take a few seconds, up to 30 seconds or even a minute. But once it finishes, your site should go live. You'll see a link up here at the top. Clicking on it will open your website, and just like that, your page should load properly without the 404 error. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.